Well, me and my friends tried to eat bread out of here real fast.
But it didn't work.
It didn't work. We didn't get the hiccups. Yay! If I did, I'll be hiccuping all night. No presents for me.
No presents for you.
But for me, it's like me watching Santa.
And you're still asleep.
Hiccup. Hiccup. Deuces.
Potatoes.